To welcome the new bishop, I wish first and foremost, in the name of the Holy Father Pope Francis, to thank Most Reverend Tito Lino for the committed and dedicated service he rendered as Bishop of jowai for a span of over 4 years, from 15 October 2016 to the appointment of December.
And love, as we avail ourselves constantly of the depth of God's giving love in Christ. From this we can fully understand that the bishop represents Christ to the people who stands in the name of Christ need to follow this. Today's readings are very suitable to you, dear bishop, elected in Anglican, and to all of us bishops and priests. Diocese and all of us present here today.
Bishop of jowai, along with all its rights and obligations which pertain to this office. You may receive the episcopal ordination anywhere outside Rome from any Catholic bishop, provided that the liturgical norms are observed. However, as estimated by the ecclesiastical law,